Hi guys, how to find the ceramic marker. Go to the Washable Kingdom. And wait for it to load. And find the premise marker on this. Get this marker and go back to the mainland. And go to the shop and talk to this yellow guy. And press this one, and it will show the basement. See, and do you see the marker over there? It explodes. We need to find all pieces. And if you complete it all, you can find the marker. I already found this marker, but I deleted it so you guys see its name. I think it's the last one. No, here. Huh? And here. And you found a ceramic marker. That's how you found a ceramic marker.